Good day, everyone. Looking back on my journey in Diploma in Teaching Values Education at PNU, I can truly say that these three subjects have transformed not only my teaching but also my perspective as a values education teacher. In approaches and strategies in teaching values, I realized that values cannot simply be taught through lecture. They are all best learned through meaningful experience and reflection and authentic conversation that allow my students to connect lessons with their own lives. In values integration, I realized that teaching values is everyone's responsibility, whether inside or outside the classroom. Every interaction, activity, and learning experience is an opportunity to nurture the character of my learners. Finally, instructional materials and technology integration, I realized that technology, when used in purpose and wisdom, can make values lesson more engaging, relevant, and meaningful for today's generation while encouraging responsible digital citizenship. These three subjects are closely connected because they are all remind us that effective values education is not just about what we teach, but also how we teach and the learning experience we create together. We have helped me become more intentional in shaping both minds and heart of my students. Before I can teach values effectively, I must continuously practice them in my own life. After completing Diploma in Teaching Values Education, I aspire to become a teacher who leads with integrity, compassion, and humility. I want my students to remember not only the lesson I teach, but also the kind of person I choose to be. My greatest hope is that through God's guidance, I can inspire to become morally responsible, compassionate, and values-driven individuals who will make a positive difference in their lives, families, communities, and to our nation. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.